How to activate ChatGPT's foolproof mode. Never make a mistake. Did you know you can make ChatGPT even more accurate and reliable? With a foolproof mode, your responses will be smarter and more up-to-date. Although it's not a setting in the menu, with 3 simple steps you'll achieve amazing results. Tell ChatGPT what type of source to consult. Use terms like a scholarly, official, or trustworthy. This guides the chatbot toward verified information and increases its accuracy when responding. Tell them exactly what you need. For example, cite official sources, or based on recent research. The clearer you are, the better ChatGPT can work to provide you with useful data. If you need current data, specify a date. Questions like, "Give me statistics for the last year," will keep responses up to date. For even more flexibility, consider ChatGPT Plus, which offers advanced capabilities. Activate the foolproof mode and take your projects to the next level. Use these tips and experience the full power of ChatGPT. Share it with your network and improve the use of AI in your daily life. Source: Computer Hoy.